The answer to this question is a very easy no. There is no reason that any man at any age cannot be given testosterone replacement therapy. There are things that we watch for carefully. We want to make sure that the blood doesn't become too thick, because testosterone can make you make more red blood cells, and it can also increase your estradiol. But it does not cause cardiovascular disease. In fact, it decreases cardiovascular disease most of the time, because men start exercising, feeling better, and taking better care of themselves. And it does not create prostate cancer either. So yes, there is no counterindication or contraindication of a 68-year-old man receiving testosterone based on age.